How does a drone know if it is flying accurately? All this depends on its brain, AHRS. AHRS, the full name of Attitude and Heading Reference System, is the core navigation technology of aircraft, robots, and agricultural machinery. Through the coordinated work of multiple sensors, it can calculate the attitude angle and heading angle in real time. The gyroscope reacts quickly, but drifts. The accelerometer can measure gravity, but is subject to dynamic interference. And the magnetometer can determine the direction, but is afraid of magnetic field interference. AHRS uses algorithms to combine them, complement each other, and form a stable output. The most common is Kalman filtering, which has high accuracy, but large calculation volume. Complementary filtering is suitable for embedded devices, small and practical. And Madgwick algorithm uses gradient descent optimization, which is fast and power-saving. It is not easy to make a good AHRS. It is necessary to resist vibration, temperature drift, and magnetic interference, and ensure that the algorithm runs at the millisecond level. Both hardware and software must be pushed to the limit. In the future, AHRS will be smarter. Deep learning helps modeling. Vision and GNSS participate together, and more powerful chips bring lighter systems. From mathematical formulas to engineering implementation, AHRS is the soul that gives the machine a sense of direction.